Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to count characters in a cell in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my table, and for example I'm going to count characters in this B3 cell. And if we want to count characters, we don't need to do it manually, but we just have to input the formula, and I'm going to show you the formula that we have to input if we want to count characters. So first of all, we can put equal and then len. Oops. And then we have to click on the cell that we want to count the characters in, and I'm going to click on this B3 cell like this, and we just need to click on the check mark after we're done. Okay, and this is the result. So the number of the characters in this B3 cell is 12. Alright guys, and that's how we can count characters in a cell in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.